to our channel. We are here with another one. I'm going to be doing a ball cap method for the second time, maybe. I don't really do it, so I'm excited to get into it with you guys. And I am coming through with Hurela hair. Okay, they so graciously provided us with a 24-inch 99J unit, which I've been wanting. I've been just really into color lately, and they had some options. Okay, so with this unit came the cap as well as the edge wrap, and I'm going to use both. Okay, I'm so excited to get into this. And let's get into the cap construction. So again, this is a 24-inch unit 99J. She has 2 combs in the front, okay? 1 comb in the back. She has adjustable straps, Wakanda forever. Let's take a look at that parting space. So she has lace at the front and the bottom. Okay, that ear-to-ear lace is really stunning. And it's also already kind of tinted. So this is really, like, it's also, this looks like it's going to blend really nice with me, okay? So we're just going to take our time and get her all the way together. All right, guys, we're trying something new today, so bear with me. I'm just going through and cutting the ear holes in so we can do our ball cap method. I'm using my Bold Hold liquid gold, and yes, I'm being messy, no judgment, to secure the cap. Okay, we just want to make sure that the cap is laid down to our hair, and I'm doing this to protect my edges. I'm currently on this new Dream Girls hair care diet, okay, to get all my edges and everything back and super healthy. So I want to make sure that we're taking an extra precaution when we're applying our units. Now I'm just going through and making sure that we get that all the way laid down with the blow dryer, and that just is making sure that, like, as you're laying you would lay your wig, you want to lay your bald cap the same exact way. So I'm just going through and making sure that she is extra dry and ready for wig application. Using the edge scarf that was provided to us by Hurela Hair, I'm just going to make sure that our bald cap is laid all the way down. Now that our bald cap is all laid down, let's go in ahead and get into mother. Okay, this unit is fire, and she long and sexy. This is a Hurela Hair 13x4 lace front wig in the color 99J. Excuse me. She is bone straight. I'm just going through with my Bold Hold liquid gold and getting mother all the way together. She's bone straight, and she's currently going for $212. For the people in the back, I said for 150% density, 24 inches, and the color 99J, she is going for $212 on hurelahumanhair.com. And I could not be more obsessed with this unit. I've been really wanting to try and get more into color, and she has provided me with that. Now, the cap on this is relatively big head friendly. I did feel safe and secure in her, so don't be, too alarmed by that. She does tangle. For some reason, she gave me a little bit of tangles, and if it wasn't for the way the actual texture of the hair and the sheen of the hair, it probably would have annoyed me more. But the reality is that it looks really, really good, and if you get her nice and straight, you really don't have to worry about it. But I actually enjoyed this unit thoroughly. I think she is really, really beautiful. You guys really need to go over and check out hurelahumanhair.com. She did, again, she didn't shed very much, but she did tangle, which was fascinating. But I really do like this unit. And hurelahumanhair.com, they have a bunch of different units and things to choose from, as well as a super huge sale going on. So check them out and let me know what you think. right, guys, so I'm just going through and chopping off this lace with lipstick on my daggone chin. Oh my goodness, I'm so annoyed with myself. But what I want to show you guys is that if you saw earlier how the lace looked a little crunchy, when you're laying your lace, what you can do is just go through with your bowl hold spray, okay, and spray over that crunchy area. Take your whatever, your comb or anything like that, and just make sure you're pressing it down and add that heat, okay? Because that'll help you get rid of that crunch and munch all at the front, all right? Now, I bring my lace out just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. It helps to lay it a little bit better, I think. But I just go through for a finished product and just give it a little bit extra heat. Hurela Hair did it again. I'm super excited about this unit. She is so fire. Now, she did tangle a bit. I said that earlier. Okay, I'm going to turn around for you guys. Okay, so you get all the inches. She is 24 inches of love, sex, and magic. And I cannot be more excited about this unit. The lace is fur. Fire. You guys for sure need to check out Hurela Hair. The hair is stunning. She looks stunning. She feels stunning. I feel sexy in her. The lace is fantastic. I really couldn't ask for anything more. I think that this is one of, like, Hurela Hair, I did another unit by them and I loved it. It was a fake scalp unit and it was that piano brown and blonde and it was super fire. So I'm going to leave that video up here as well. You guys need to check them out. I really don't have anything else to say except for, why, yes, thank you. Get into that. That's scalp. You see that? Scalp. Okay. So I am feeling her. Let me know what you guys think. Bust up on the color. What do you think of the color? And I'll see you beautiful mugs later. Bye.